In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Salesforce apps. If you're an admin or you've just been given access to manage apps in your Salesforce org, this walkthrough will help you understand where to go, what you're looking at, and how to make confident, informed changes without getting lost. First, head to the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. Click it and choose Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into Salesforce's Setup area, which is the control center for configuration. Think of it as the backstage of your org, where you fine-tune how things look and work for your users. Once you're in Setup, search for App Manager and select it. Using the search bar here is the fastest way to jump straight to what you need. App Manager is the hub for everything related to your Salesforce apps, whether they're standard apps that come with Salesforce or custom ones built for your unique processes. On the App Manager page, you'll see a list of all the apps installed in your account. Each entry shows useful details, like the developer associated with the app and a short description of what it does. This overview helps you quickly understand the purpose of each app and who created or maintains it. It's a great place to get your bearings, especially if you're auditing what's currently in use or deciding what needs attention. If you need to make changes to an existing app, look to the right side of that app's row for the small caret icon. Click it and choose Edit. That opens the app settings, where you can adjust things like the app's label, branding, or the items that appear in its navigation. Make changes thoughtfully, and keep in mind that edits can affect your users' daily workflow. It's a good practice to coordinate with your team and communicate what's changing and why. If you're ready to introduce something new, click New at the top right of the App Manager page. This starts the process of adding a new app. Creating a new app lets you bundle the right tools, tabs, and navigation for a specific group or business process, keeping work organized and focused. As you plan a new app, think about naming conventions, who will use it, and how it fits into your broader setup. And there you go. From opening Advanced Setup, to finding App Manager, to reviewing, editing, or creating apps, you now know the essential flow. That's all. Simple, clear, and ready for you to put into practice.